symbolizes Nashville's nickname, the Athens of the South. Inside lies a 42-foot statue of Athena. The name says it all. This fiery icon serves Nashville's most beloved dish with customizable heat. There's a place where guitars don't rest, where voices echo in the night, and where the past dances with the present on neon-lit streets. This is Nashville, a city of storytellers, songwriters, and Southern soul. From historic honky-tonks to quiet corners of creativity, it's a rhythm that never fades. This is Batuta Revisited, your lens to the world's most iconic cities and their untold stories. Today, we welcome you to Nashville, the cradle of country music, the heart of Tennessee, and a city that's far more than what you hear on the radio. Named after Revolutionary War hero Francis Nash, Nashville was founded in 1779 along the Cumberland River and quickly rose as a vital trade and transport hub. During the Civil War, it became the first Confederate state capital to fall to Union forces. Post-war, Nashville rebuilt itself into a center of education and culture, earning the nickname the Athens of the South, with a full-scale Parthenon as its proud symbol. In 1925, the launch of the Grand Ole Opry marked the beginning of its transformation into Music City, helping define American country music and launching countless legendary careers. Beyond its musical fame, Nashville played a role in the civil rights movement, and today, it's a dynamic blend of rich history, Southern charm, and modern creativity. A city where stories, songs, and progress continue to unfold. From the heart-thumping rhythms of Broadway to the serene trails of Radnor Lake, Nashville is a city that beats with culture, history, and charm. These are the iconic places that capture the spirit and soul of Music City, each with a story to tell and a tune to hum. Once home to the Grand Ole Opry, this historic venue is known as the Mother Church of Country Music. Its legendary acoustics and hallowed stage have hosted icons from Johnny Cash to Adele. The building itself, originally a tabernacle, has witnessed over a century of performances that transcend genres. A must-visit for music lovers, this museum captures the heart of country music with interactive exhibits, archival recordings, and legendary memorabilia. Its soaring architecture resembles piano keys and a bass clef, harmonizing form with function in every step. The beating heart of downtown Nashville, Broadway is lined with neon-lit honky-tonks, live music bars, and rooftop views, a non-stop celebration of sound and Southern energy. Day or night, it's where stories begin, boots shuffle, and Nashville's soundtrack never stops. Located in Centennial Park, this full-scale replica of the Greek original symbolizes Nashville's nickname, the Athens of the South. Inside lies a 42-foot statue of Athena and an art museum. Its grandeur and unexpected presence make it a fascinating blend of ancient homage and local identity. Dedicated to the man in black, this museum offers an intimate look at the life, legacy, and lyrics of one of country music's most enduring figures. Personal letters, stage costumes, and rare recordings make this a heartfelt tribute to a legend. A former plantation-turned-museum, Belle Meade offers a deep dive into Tennessee history, along with wine tastings and Southern-style hospitality. Horse racing, Civil War history, and elegant architecture converge on these stately grounds. Housed in a stunning Art Deco building, the Frisch features rotating exhibitions that span centuries and continents, making it a hub for visual arts in the city. With no permanent collection, every visit promises something fresh, thought-provoking, and visually striking. Designed by William Strickland, the Capitol is both a working government building and a monument to the state's storied past, with commanding views of the city. It also serves as the final resting place of President James K. Polk, adding a layer of presidential legacy to its grounds. A former private estate turned cultural campus, Cheekwood is known for its botanical gardens, art galleries, and seasonal displays that enchant visitors year-round. It's a peaceful blend of art, architecture, and nature nestled in the hills of West Nashville. For those seeking nature, Radnor Lake offers serene hiking trails, scenic overlooks, and wildlife watching just minutes from the urban bustle. It's a local favorite for its quiet beauty and frequent sightings of deer, owls, and herons. Beyond the big stages and bright lights, Nashville hides a softer, slower rhythm. Places whispered between locals, tucked into quiet corners, or glowing just beneath the mainstream. These hidden gems offer a deeper, more intimate feel of the city. An extension of Jack White's famed record label, this venue is one of the only places in the world that records live shows directly to vinyl. It's a haven for analog purists and underground talent, intimate, experimental, and deeply Nashville. Once an early 20th century car factory, this industrial complex now houses distilleries, artisan shops, and music studios. It's raw, creative, and full of repurposed character, the kind of place where you can sip local whiskey while browsing vintage leather goods. Tucked above the city near Vanderbilt University, this quiet hilltop offers one of the best panoramic views of Nashville. Few tourists make it here, making it the perfect place for a peaceful sunset or a nighttime cityscape under the stars. A quiet educational space inside the historic bridge building downtown, offering exhibits on the local watershed and community-led sustainability. With its riverside views and small-scale events, it blends urban renewal with environmental storytelling. From landmarks to hidden corners, Nashville's soul shines through. Now let's meet the people who gave that soul its voice. Nashville's cultural legacy is more than just music. It's etched into the stories of pioneers, poets, performers, and visionaries born here. These individuals have helped shape not only the city, but the world stage. The 11th President of the United States, Polk was born in a frontier cabin just outside Nashville and led the nation through an era of bold territorial expansion, including the annexation of Texas and California. His presidency remains one of the most consequential of the 19th century. A trailblazer in both medicine and civil rights, Watkins was the first African-American graduate of Vanderbilt Medical School. He went on to pioneer the use of the implantable defibrillator, forever changing the landscape of cardiac care. A formidable poet, critic, and founding member of the Southern Agrarians, Tate's work delved into themes of identity, history, and the Southern experience. His legacy endures through influential essays and the haunting ode to the Confederate dead. Born in Nashville and raised in Franklin, Potts is a beloved screen presence known for roles in Ghostbusters, Designing Women, and Young Sheldon. Her wit and warmth have made her a household name across generations. Though raised in the Smokies, Dolly launched her journey to global stardom in Nashville. A living legend, her blend of songwriting genius, philanthropy, and larger-than-life charm makes her one of the city's most treasured icons. Emerging from a family of Nashville music royalty, Noah has carved her own identity with haunting vocals and emotionally raw songwriting, blending country roots with indie pop soul. Born and raised in Nashville, Kesha exploded onto the pop scene with unapologetic energy and glitter-drenched anthems. Beneath the party persona lies a fiercely creative artist who challenges the norms of pop stardom. While not born in Nashville, these legendary figures have been deeply intertwined with the city's cultural spirit and international reputation. Johnny Cash. Though born in Arkansas, the man in black found his creative heart in Nashville. His music, his legacy, and even his love story with June Carter are forever linked with the city that helped shape country music. Maya Angelou. The iconic poet and civil rights voice spent meaningful time engaging with Nashville's academic and artistic communities, particularly Fisk University, enriching the city's literary soul. Nicole Kidman. The Oscar-winning actress, though born in Hawaii and raised in Australia, has called Nashville home for years, with husband Keith Urban becoming an enduring part of the city's creative and philanthropic fabric. Taylor Swift. Arriving in Nashville as a teenager chasing a dream, Swift's early career was born in the heart of Music Row. Her rise from local songwriter to global superstar has forever tied her story to the city. From native legends to honorary icons, these names echo Nashville's soul. Now let's taste the flavors that feed its spirit. From hot chicken that burns with pride to biscuits that melt like Southern hymns, Nashville's culinary scene is a soulful reflection of its roots. Here's where the city's flavors sing their loudest. A chef-driven fine dining experience with an open kitchen setup, offering an ever-evolving tasting menu. It's an intimate showcase of culinary creativity that consistently surprises and delights. Hidden behind an unmarked door in Wedgwood, Houston, this 24-seat restaurant serves up imaginative small plates and craft cocktails. The setting feels like a cozy underground supper club made for food lovers. The name says it all. This fiery icon serves Nashville's most beloved dish with customizable heat levels. It's a rite of passage for locals and a must-stop for visitors. The original institution that birthed the hot chicken phenomenon, Prince's is spicy, storied, and steeped in Nashville's culinary legacy. What began as a humble food truck is now a brunch staple known for biscuit-based creations. Their playful takes on Southern comfort food make it a family favorite. A neighborhood smokehouse that delivers on Southern staples, think slow-cooked brisket, pulled pork, and mac and cheese. The casual vibe is as welcoming as the food is hearty. A no-frills taco joint turned East Nashville legend, offering flavorful street tacos and Mexican comfort food. Every bite tastes like it came from Grandma's kitchen, if your grandma had a grill in Mexico City. On the outskirts of town, this roadside classic has been serving hot biscuits and country ham since the 1950s. It's a warm hug from the Old South, best enjoyed with sweet tea. Home to the 100-layer donut, this family-run bakery offers rich, flaky creations. It's the sweet spot where French technique meets Southern indulgence. a retro chic spot with hand-ground burgers and house-made sodas. It's part diner, part German beer garden, and all delicious. From fiery traditions to sweet indulgences, Nashville's plates tell stories, each bite a melody that leads us deeper into the city's soul. Nashville isn't just a city, it's a recurring character in film, music, and literature, immortalized on screens big and small, and sung about in lyrics that echo across the world. Nashville, the movie. Robert Altman's sprawling political and musical tapestry put the city on the cinematic map, capturing its chaotic beauty and cultural intersections. Walk the Line, chronicling the life of Johnny Cash. Many scenes showcase the city's honky-tonks and studios that shaped country music's legends. Nashville, TV series. A dramatic dive into the city's country music scene, this series blended fictional glitz with real-life venues like the Bluebird Cafe, putting them on the global radar. Hee Haw, the iconic variety show fused rural comedy and country music, filmed right in Music City, and became a beloved staple of American pop culture. A Walk in the Woods by Bill Bryson. While not exclusively about Nashville, the nearby Appalachian Trail and Southern character infuse the region's literary identity. The Whistling Season by Ivan Doig. Echoes of rural Americana and Southern heritage found in Nashville also resonate in stories like this that blend wit and nostalgia. Murder on Music Row by George Strait and Alan Jackson. A mournful ballad about Nashville's changing musical soul and a subtle protest about the loss of traditional country sound. Visit Me in Music City by Bobby Bare Jr., a gritty, personal homage to the city's essence, equal parts rebellious and reverent. From sound stages to pages, from chart-topping tracks to indie anthems, Nashville's presence in pop culture runs deep. It's a muse, a backdrop, and a voice all its own, setting the stage for our final reflections. From the echoing halls of the Ryman to the late-night neon glow of Broadway, Nashville isn't just a city, it's a ballad of grit, grace, and unshakable rhythm. A place where every street corner could be the first line of someone's next great song. Thanks for walking this journey with us through the heart of Music City. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. And do tell us in the comments, what did we miss in the great city of Nashville, and which city do you want us to explore next? This has been Batuta Revisited, where every city tells a story, one street, one song, one soul at a time.